Hi everyone, and I'm here to show you what second grade Abeka looks like. So we ordered the whole package and for the whole school year, and this is what we received. So I'm gonna show you everything else, what's on the inside, so stay tuned. First thing I want to start by is checking out this book on the inside, which is gonna be helpful. We're doing video manual, so that means we are gonna do videos. The teacher's gonna teach us with a video. I'm not doing parent-led because we like the video. So, and in here, by the way, I've done a first grade last year video on it. So if you haven't seen that yet, please check out the channel for it. So, all right. First page, I will show you. So, go by lessons, and it tells you on this side which page they're going to be working on from the books that we are from these books. The reading, they are by birds, beavers, and bees. So it goes by how fast your child can read, and we'll get to these books in a moment. And it just tells you which page you're going to be on. And for homework, you are going to have some seat work. That's what they call homework, seat work. AR, which stands for arithmetic, page 89. And it tells you copy spelling list number 9 and have the children add up all the cents and all that. So, and the abbreviation is right here. So in case you don't know what that is, this will help you. Like the HSM stands for Health, Safety, and Manners. So that's what this is all about. At the end of the book, you will, if you're doing academy, so you're gonna need to fill this out, write out their grades, and send them out with the tests that you're gonna do. So they want you to write number grades, not the letter grades. They want you to write the number grades, like 68, 75, 89, 100. So yeah. So these are the books that they were talking about. They're gonna put you into one of the 3 groups. They're gonna put your child in one of the 3 groups. So they're gonna start by reading this book, and it goes by 2A. 2 stands for second grade. 2A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if your child reads fast, you're gonna get through them all. If your child reads a little bit slow, you might get to like F, and you're gonna finish without till the end of the school year, and you will not be able to read these books, which is okay. They make it, I think it's nice that they do that. That way the child works at its own pace. So, and then they have this handbook for reading, that there's gonna be a moment where they're gonna need to practice this with the teacher, and you will read the Bible. And this is the answer keys, like on kindness, which is the chapter, the book name. So, yep. Get to ask your child some questions on what they read. Second grade is mandatory to do cursive. So they send you this flashcard, which I think is gonna be helpful because this is our first year to write in cursive. Art project. This is very fun, and a lot of it they're gonna be more focusing on using a lot of pastels to like create beautiful pictures, like drawing this here, just, yeah. And they have at the very corner, they have all the pictures what it needs to turn out. So like on every project, this is what you are trying to get. So this is the look, and they provide you, so you're gonna need to use coloring, so, and then like drawing your face. And then health, safety, manners, enjoying God's world, science, and about America. So art is going to be activity. This also is going to be part of the activities that they're going to do at the end of the day. So yeah, if I'm going too fast, please pause the video. And as I was talking about that they're going to be need to write in cursive, this is where they will practice. They do warm-ups, and they need to like copy the poem over here. From the beginning, they're going to practice tracing the letters and numbers in cursive, and they'll get more intense towards the end. And there's going to be their tests here, like this is test number 11. They need to copy that over here, and this is what you're going to send to the teacher. These are the papers. And this is the writing tablet where they're going to be using these papers to write their stuff, like pre-writes, spelling and poetry. They will need to memorize these. They will need to practice writing them because it will be on the test. I love the colors. History and Science Activity Book. This is the teacher key. This is what the child, that's in case if you don't know what to put. Reading comprehension. So this is for the child, this is for you. This is new for us as a second grade. So we'll be learning this as well. And then it has the teacher. It tells you here. All right, and this is phonics for your child, and that's teacher key. I love how they add color. And the teacher key here, in case you are having trouble or you're not sure about. And to that comes the phonics test, the student test, and that's the teacher key to make sure they get correct answers. And I love it how they have the test number 3, so everything is like organized, you know, in which lesson you had the test on. So lesson 79, you had the test 15. And then this on the test, you need to have your children read one row across, and it's timed as well. And then like this is the answer key. And last, the arithmetic. So this is the work. So I feel like they're starting off with whatever they learned from first grade. They're doing warm-ups, addition, subtraction, and towards the end of the school year, they focus on multiplication. I love the pictures because my children enjoy it. The color, I appreciate them doing color, not just black and white. And the other thing I wanted to mention about this last page, this is so fun to keep. In the fall, you should write down how many inches they are, feet, and then do it again in the winter and the spring. And then you collect these, and then it's just fun to see how they grow and stuff. The teacher key, the tests and the speed drills, the student, the teacher. So this is what their tests look like. And these are the speed drills. So they're gonna do one every day. This one, and then this the next day, and then the next day, and then the following day. And this is their tests. This is what their tests look like. And then this is the answer keys, that way you know. And it tells you here how to subtract. How to grade. They also send you this envelopes that you need to put your stamps and mail it, because we are doing academy, so we're gonna need to mail out. And they send in the DVDs, the 3-pack for the whole school year. If you don't want to do CDs, they have on the online, so you can also do that as well. I hope this was helpful to you, and please check out the first grade video that I've done last year. It's on my channel, and hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.